Okay, honey, I'm trying to do this video for you again of the snowstorm, and it's coming down pretty hard, and it's the middle of the day, and they say it's going to last for a few more hours coming down. I hope you can see this. It's kind of hard. So, let me see. Can you see that? This is so crazy, so messed up. Spring in 2 weeks. Oh wow, look at that. I hope you can see it. I can't tell looking at the screen here because it's coming down so hard. It's the big snowflakes too. The trees are all covered with it and everything. It looks beautiful. Did I tell you how much I hate snow? I hope it's like this when you get here next year. All right. Bye. Love you.